Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add creators as friends on OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to onlyfans.com. Then, log into your OnlyFans account. Once you are logged in, go to the creator's profile page that you want to add as a friend. You can also use the search bar, but I'm selecting the one from the suggestions. Here all you need to do is click on subscribe. To subscribe, you'll need to add a payment card. Click on please add a payment card. A box will appear where you'll need to fill in your billing details, complete the form and click submit. Once verified, you can easily subscribe and add the creator as a friend. Then you'll both be able to interact more personally, like exchanging messages or accessing exclusive content. And that's it. Now you know how to add creators as friends on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.